Okay, let's begin lah. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the area of a sector in a circle. Okay, so previously what we have learned is about the perimeter, or sorry, the arc length. Okay, the length of the arc, if you remember. Okay, we learned about the length of the arc and also the length of the chord. Okay, in a segment lah. Okay, so please don't forget these words now, because we're still going to see the same words again. Sector and segment. Okay, be very used to it now. So, in the past, when you were in Form 2 or Form 1, I can't remember, okay, we learned how to count the area of a sector in a circle by using a very long-winded method. Okay, so for example, if this is a circle with the radius of r, okay, and if let's say the angle that is subtended by 2 radius is a certain area over here, how do we count the area? It will be area of circle over area of sector over area of circle equals to theta over 360 degrees. This is in the past, okay, before we learned about how to change from degree to radian. Okay, but let's continue from here. Does anybody remember what is the area of a circle punya formula?
Pi r squared.
Very good, pi r squared. Okay, so area of sector over pi r squared equals to theta over 360, which means that you can calculate area of sector, okay, equals to theta over 360 times pi r squared. Okay, but what if we substitute? Okay, what if we substitute the 360? What if we change everything into radian? Okay, so what will happen is, if pi radian is 180 degrees, okay, we can conclude that 360 degrees is 2 pi radian. Okay, I change it in terms of pi. So what will happen to the 360 degrees down here is it will become over 2 pi. Theta over 2 pi times pi r squared. And I can cancel out the pi and I will get theta over 2 r squared. Okay, atau kalau saya tulis balik secara susunan, the area, okay, of sector, okay, equals to 1 over 2 theta r squared. This theta over 2 kan saya kasih pisahkan, saya kasih jadi setengah dan theta macam ini. Okay, and this is our formula for today. How to count the area of this sector? Okay, by using the angle radian. Okay, so this is another life hack lah, if you want to call it a life hack. This is another life hack. Okay, we can use a shorter version of the long formula, but dengan syarat this theta over here, the angle must be in the unit of radian. It's the most important rule. Okay, we want to establish this fact. Just like macam kita kira yang S equals to R theta bahkan, we can only use this formula if the angle is in radian. Okay, that's the most important thing about this formula. So everything that we learn in this chapter kan, angle is radian, angle is radian, angle is radian. Okay, except for certain cases, which I will come to in a little while. So let's do a couple of examples. Okay, so the first one now that I want you to try. Okay, try for me now. Okay, let's see how we can use this one. So we have one sector over here. Okay, the angle is 1.1 radian and the radius is 7 cm. Okay, find the area of this sector. Okay, second example that I want you to try is the angle. Sorry. Okay, this is another one. Okay, so this is 135 degrees. Okay, this angle is 135 degrees and the radius is 2 cm. Okay, so this is the same question. Find the area. Okay, third question is, I am giving you this weird looking thing again. Sorry, this thing. Okay, I'm giving you that this one is 10 cm and the area is 24 cm squared. Okay, this question will be find the angle, okay, in radian. Okay, can all of you try these 3 questions first? And then after that, I will call I will call 3 people, okay, to give me the answer. Okay, just to remind you, the formula is A equals to 1 over 2 r squared theta. Okay, question 1 and 2, find the area. Question 3, find the angle. Yeah, I give you about 10 minutes to answer these 3 questions. Okay, I see quite a number of people like already relaxed already. Got time to change background some more, right? Okay, Sean. So, let's have Sean and Maya and maybe Funders lah. Okay. So Sean, hold on. Sean, question number 1. Maya, question number 2, and Funders the magician, question number 3. So, Sean, what you do is you tell me what to write. Okay, tell me the steps. Don't just tell me the answer, but tell me the steps.
First, I write down the formula.
Okay, okay, fine. A equals to 1. All right, and then?
Lepas tu, I sub 1.1 grad,
Okay.
and then the radius.
Oh, okay. The radius is 7 squared. Okay, final answer?
26.95 cm squared.
3 decimal places, please.
Okay, kita.
Oh, actually, I think there's only 2 only, right?
Yeah, macam. Wait.
Sorry, 26.95.
Yeah. Only 2 decimals.
I feel that there's 2 decimals. Okay, don't forget the unit. Okay, 26.95 centimeters squared. Okay, number 2, Maya.
Change the degree into radian.
Very good.
And then sub the radian into the formula.
Okay, 135 change to radian. Can you tell me the angle straight? Don't need to show me don't need to tell me the working.
Apa tu?
135 darjah dalam radian berapa?
2.3565.
2.3565. Very good. Okay. So what is the area?
Area 4.713 cm square.
Sorry, I didn't hear what you say. What did you say?
The area answer 0.713.
713. Okay, don't forget the unit.
Square.
All right, thank you. Why do I hear a sound of a cat? But okay, never mind. Siapa nombor? Oh, the magician. Yes, Funders the magician.
Okay, write the formula first.
Okay.
Then substitute R with 10 cm, 10 square. Lepas tu 1 over 2 darab R square equal 24.
Okay.
Lepas tu kita balik.
Okay. Jadi last
0.48 radian.
2 decimal place kali ni.
Yeah.
Okay. 0.48 radian. Okay. So formula is pretty easy to do. I think if you're very used to how we've been doing admaths, you kind of know that, okay, dia pindah lah. Okay, as long as you know how to use the formula, that's fine. All right, good job, everybody. Let's now do the second thing, which is, kalau kita ada area of sector, we must also know how to count the area of the segment. This is very normal. Okay, just to remind you, a segment is a segment is an area, okay, where dicakupi oleh the arc and also the chord. Okay, so this is the segment. So how do we want to find the area of the segment? Okay, so there's 2 methods now. Okay, number 1 is, method number 1, which is always the formula. The area of the segment sahaja, okay, is A equals to 1 over 2 sorry, I forgot. Oh, r squared sine theta. Okay, but this sine theta must be in degrees. Okay, just like our first method now for counting the length of the chord, right? Okay, the theta over 2, the sine theta over 2, which we studied previously, this theta over 2 must be in degrees. Okay, so that's method number 1. Okay, the second method, which is actually the method that I prefer, okay, is to use A equals to 1 over 2 AB sin C yang kita sudah belajar dari dulu. Okay? Kejap ah. Saya silap oh. Sorry. Wait. Oh, okay. Sorry. Actually, it's the same thing lah. Okay, whether is this the same thing, but the thing is, this is to count the area of the triangle. This one. Okay, this two is to count the area of triangle. Kenapa saya guna warna foundation ini? Macam warna foundation tu kan. Sorry ah. Okay, this is the area of the triangle ah. So to count the area of the segment, okay, is the area of a sector minus the area of triangle. Okay, the area of the purple color, okay, minus the area of the foundation color. I don't know what's the foundation color. Okay, then you get the area of the segment. Okay, cuma there are two methods which is basically the same lah. Okay, to count the area of this triangle yang foundation ini. Okay, which is to use 1 over 2 r squared sine theta or 1 over 2 AB sine C. Tapi yang penting is this AB sine C or theta, the angle must be in degrees. Okay, so let's do a simple one first lah. Okay, so let's say I have a triangle, I have a circle with a sector. This is 1.1 radian and this is 7 cm. I want to count this area of the segment. Okay, so the first step is calculate the area of sector first lah. Okay, calculate the area of sector will be 1 over 2 times 7 squared times 1.1. Sorry, can somebody calculate this for me please? Because I don't have my calculator. 1 over 2 times 7 squared times 1.1.
26.995.
26.995. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So, 95 ja. Okay. Area of triangle is 1 over 2 r squared sine theta. Okay, so it will be 7 squared. But this theta must be in degrees. Okay, so can somebody please change 1.1 radian to degrees for me, please? Today it's a lot of somebody.
63.017.
63.017 okay, so sine 63.017. Kalau silap, kamu tolong bagi tahu ah. Okay, calculate this please. Sine 63.017. I mean times 7 squared times half lah. It's normal.
21.832.
Okay, 21.832. Assuming that Eldon is correct. So area of segment is equals to 26.95 minus 21.832 lah. Okay, and then you will get your final answer. So the area of the big sector minus the triangle, you get this tiny little thing over here, okay, which is the segment. Okay, 4 point something lah. No, 5.122 is it?
118.
Sorry? Oh, yeah lah. Okay. Oh. Sorry, how much is it? 5.018 kah itu?
5.118.
Or 118, okay, centimeter square. Okay, so actually pretty easy lah. It's pretty easy to do, except that don't forget now when we did perimeter, dia adalah tambah, okay, because we want to find the jumlah of everything. But when we talk about the area of the segment, we want the big sector and then minus out the triangle in the cake. Okay, so today's lesson is very useful if you want to learn how to cut cake. Okay, seriously, yeah. Like, kalau kamu, you know, one of the things yang saya paling malaskan, if I'm cutting a cake, saya paling malas kalau orang bagi tahu saya, tolong potong bagi saya yang paling kecil. Like, you know, cut me a very small slice. So usually I will give the segment, okay, because it's small, it's very thin, tapi dia bahagian yang paling besar sebenarnya, kan? Because look at the sector. So usually I will give the people that ask me for, bagi saya yang paling kecil kan, saya akan bagi dia bahagian inilah. Okay, padahal kan it really is the smallest part lah. Okay, saya paling malas ini kalau memotong kek kan, lepas tu dia suruh potong kecil, terus rosak saya punya potongan. Okay, so yeah, never ask me to cut cake, especially when got a lot of people that are dieting. Okay, let's try a couple more questions, and then we will go on to another part. So let's have this one, same thing lah. Okay, the most simple one, find this one, but this angle is 2/3 pi and the radius is 10 cm. Okay, second question, circle over here, this is 58, I don't want this. Okay, over here is 310 degrees. Okay, and this one is 5 cm. I want to find this area as always. Okay, and then the third one. So this one is find the area of segment. Okay, the last one. So ugly lah, my goodness. Okay, so over here, this is the number 3 is a slight challenge. Okay, but we'll try lah. So here, the chord is 15 cm, the radius is 9 cm, and then this is the angle. Okay, find theta. In degrees lah, saya mengada-ngada sikit. Okay, find theta in degrees. Same thing, 10 minutes, and then I will call you again. Okay, let's have Garrett for the first one, Mantani for the second one, and Celeste for the third one. Okay, Garrett, Mantani, and Celeste. Okay, same thing, just tell me what to write, and I will listen.
Okay. Write the formula.
Okay. Sean, are you laughing?
You already have the radius.
Okay.
And then the then you find the apa sudah tu?
Sudut.
Yeah.
The angle. Okay. What do I need to do with the angle?
I forgot what that called. Oh no. The degree, yeah, lol.
Okay.
Which is 2.094.
So this is 2.094. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Does everybody agree? 2.094 kada? Sorry, I don't know. I don't know because I don't have a calculator.
Yes, sir.
So if
yes.
somebody can, oh, okay. All right. So what's your final answer?
1.826 cm square.
Okay, very good. Okay, 1.826 cm squared. The most important thing is how do you change this 2 over 3 pi to become 2.094? I covered this in the previous lesson. Please go and look it up. Okay, number 2, Mantani. Thanks, Garrett.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, Farah, can you continue? First 360 minus, and then after that, I lost him already. Farah, can you tell me what to do?
Okay. Firstly, the 360 minus with 310, and we will
Okay.
get 50 degrees.
Okay, which is inside here lah. Ini yang kita mau. Okay, very good. And then?
And then since the theta must be in degree based on the formula, so just insert. So 1 over 2.
Sorry, 1 over 2.
Bracket.
Hmm.
Bracket 5, and then square. And then sine 50 degree.
Okay, that's the area of the triangle, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay, alright. Berapa jawapan ini?
9.5756 cm square.
Okay, and then?
I need to find the sec. Oh my god.
Oh. Okay, yeah, you haven't found the area of sector. Whereas now I realize that Garrett didn't find the area of the triangle. Garrett, you just gave me the area of the sector, but you didn't give me the area of the triangle. Kan?
Yeah, you just agree, sir.
You never correct me. Wow. Wait, no, the best part is all 33 of the rest of the people also just quietly agree, Okay? This is how terrible this situation is. Hello, if something is wrong, you must point it out. Don't just, okay, kasih dia je lah Garrett kesorangan. Dia satu orang salah. Yang penting saya betul. Okay? Hello, life lesson, please. Okay, you're supposed to support one another. Kalau ada orang salah, you must point out the wrong. Okay? Yang salah itu jangan pula malu. Kalau kau salah tu salah lah. Okay? There's nothing wrong with being wrong. Okay? Well, in almost every situation. Okay, Garrett, can you complete this, please? So 1.826 is the final answer.
Yeah. And then where do I find the rest of that?
Oh, no, Garrett, I'm getting very lost with Garrett.
I'm getting lost too.
Okay, first of all, this one is the area of sector. Okay, can you tell me what this value is? 1 over 2 times 10 squared times 2.094. I hope for your sake it really is 2.094.
Yeah, it is 2.094.
Okay, 2.094. Okay, so this is the area of the sector. What is this total? 2.094 times 10 times 10 divided by 2.
1 point. Oh, no. Betul lah. Lo.
Mana ada? It's 104.667 bakal.
Mine is 0.7.
Okay lah, fine. And then after that, the area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle is 1 over 2, 10 times 10 sine. And what is this angle?
120.
What is 2 over 3 pi point? Okay, 120 ka? Yeah, 120.
Yeah.
Okay, so what will you get?
43.30.
43.30. Okay, so that means the area of this segment is 104.667 minus 43.30. So Garrett, can you tell me how you got this 1.826? Where did this magical number come from? So saya macam kecil betul dia punya ini, but Where do you get the 1.826 from, Garrett? Next time I must call Garrett more often already. Garrett, you need to be on point. Lain kali saya kena panggil Garrett ni banyak-banyak supaya dia alert sikit. Garrett, don't dream. Okay, back to Farah. Farah, can you continue for me, please? Kau sudah dapat area of the triangle. Apa lagi?
Need to find the area of sector.
Okay, area of sector, which is 1/2.
Area of sector 1/2 pi r square.
Cannot be 1/2 pi r squared, 1/2 r squared theta.
Oh, okay.
R squared theta, kan? Okay, so r is 5 squared. What is theta now?
Need to change the 50 degree to red.
Okay, very good. And then?
And then we will get 0.873.
Okay, so what's my answer for the sector?
10.9125.
Okay, 10.9125. So the area of segment will be 10.9125 minus 9.5756, which will give you?
Wait,
all right.
Minus 756. 1.3369.
Okay, 1.3369. Okay, cm squared. Okay, so you notice that the things that can change will probably be just the angle. In this example, I give you the angle in 2/3 pi. In this example, I give you the major angle, but you're supposed to find the minor angle. Okay, but the step is still the same. Find the area of the triangle, find the area of the sector, okay, and then minus. Okay, minus to find the area of the segment. Okay, so I have forgotten who is the third person. Oh, Celeste. Yes, Celeste, number 3. Can you Celeste?
Sir, is it noisy?
No, it's not noisy.
Actually, I thought I did it correctly, but then I found out I was wrong. So
Okay, can you tell me what you did?
I mistaken the 15 cm for the length of R. So I used the formula to find.
Okay. Yeah. So what formula should we actually use? Okay, 2r sine theta over 2. Okay, so okay, you can turn off your mic now, so don't worry.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's okay, since the r is 9, okay, you'll get 15 equals to 18 sine theta over 2. Okay, so you get sine theta over 2 equals to 15 over 18. Saya kehabisan ruang sudah. Okay, sine theta over 2 equals to 15 over 18. So what is theta over 2? You have to shift sign lah. Okay, shift sign the 15 over 18, please. Somebody can tell me? Shift sign 15 over 18, somebody?
56.4427.
56.4427.
Yep.
Okay. So theta will be, I don't know how somebody can save 0 point something something. I don't know where that came from, but never mind. Shift sign liao, shift sign already. Okay. So what is theta?
112.8854.
Okay. In degree, bahkan that's why I asked for. Or in degree. Okay. So don't have to change it to radian lah. Okay, we are finding it in degree. Okay. So that's pretty much everything that I want to do today. in the next class, which is, I don't know when, Monday, yeah. So our next class on Monday, I want to continue on with this one to talk about solving problem lah. Okay, next week we will finish this chapter.